Can you get the spoon? Thank you. You gonna say hi to Daddy?
Hello. No, you can't have the camera.
Sophia, look. Look at this weird thing. Sophia, look. Look. Whoa, what's that? Come here. It's a can opener. What are you doing? Are you gonna go show Daddy your new toy? Is that your necklace, Sophia? Can Mommy have that one? No.
No, I want that one.
I don't understand this whole I'm gonna put it around my neck thing.
That's a little wild.